Hi, my name is Bronwyn Ailey. I'm the local food systems and small farms educator for University of Illinois Extension. I'm housed in Unit 24 and I cover Pope, Hardin, Gallatin, Saline, Hamilton, and White counties. And currently I'm standing in one of three high tunnels here at Dixon Springs, and we're going to go on a little tour, take you on a video tour of the tunnels and show you the different crops that we have growing in each of the tunnels here at Dixon Springs. So we are standing in what we call the Stuppy high tunnel. This is a 30 by 96 high tunnel. We have three different commercial size high tunnels here at Dixon Springs, and each one is manufactured by a different company. That's how we've named these tunnels. We have the Stuppy tunnel, the FarmTech, and the Zimmerman. Right now we have tomatoes and peppers growing in this tunnel, and we have a tomato fertility study that we're working on this summer in here. And so we're looking at three different treatments, fertility treatments across three different varieties, and that's replicated 4 times within the tunnel. And on the outside 2 rows we have bell peppers on one side and then other types of peppers on the other outside row. This tunnel is actually being used twofold. First research project is the fertility study. It is also the control in a insect study that is being worked on by Dr. Casey Athey and myself at this location, and then also on campus. We needed to have tomatoes and peppers in all 3 tunnels, and so that's why one of the other reasons we chose peppers to put in here along with our tomatoes. So this is the oldest high tunnel that we have here at Dixon Springs. The manufacturer's FarmTech, so we call this the FarmTech tunnel, and this one was actually put up in 2010. We have quite a mix of crops growing in this tunnel this year. We have some indeterminate tomatoes and cucumbers on the outer row, and then we have tomatillas, which is a new crop for us to grow here in the high tunnel. They definitely are a fast, tall growing crop in here, and they are attracting a lot of pollinators. There's a lot of bee action on the tomatillas. We have a mix of peppers in this tunnel. We also included a planting date study on tomatoes, looking at 2 different varieties, Mountain Gem and Red Mountain, and we made 4 different plantings starting on March 15th, and every 2 weeks we planted another 6 plants, and we wanted to see what type of yield response, not just earliness but overall yield production, we would see from those different planting dates on those 2 varieties. And so we've been collecting harvest data off of those. And we also in this tunnel have a row of cut flowers, and it's really interesting to see all of the different pollinators that come into this tunnel and visit those different flowers. So yeah, those are the demonstration plots that we have here in the FarmTech. So this is what we call the Zimmerman tunnel, again manufactured by Zimmerman Company, and this tunnel, everything is grown hydroponically. And so we have strawberries grown in vertical stacks. We have our rail system with different herbs. We also have cucumbers and indeterminate tomatoes. And new this year that we added are raspberries. We have grown raspberries here at Dixon Springs in the past in one of the other tunnels, but this is the first year, complete year that we have grown raspberries hydroponically. And so we're looking at some different trellising and training options for them, and also just kind of getting a feel for the crop itself and how it responds to a hydroponic system.